You were asked a couple of different questions about the given set here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So a couple things that we need to know before we even get started is these two things on the right, where we should know that the probability will always be a value from 0 to 1. So anything fraction or percent from 0 to 1, you're not going to have over 100% chance or less than a 0% chance. So in this case, what you see here is you see P and then in parentheses here, some writing, right? That always is representing, hey, we want to find the probability of this thing on the inside of the parentheses happening. So what that means is that the thing on the inside of the parentheses, that's going to give us the number of successes that we are looking for. Total number of possibilities for all of these three questions is just going to be the total number of elements in the set. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 numbers for my total number of possibilities. I could pick one of those 8. So really, on all three of these, I can already place the denominator there as 8 because I know that's the total number of possibilities that I can choose from. Now let's go one at a time here. So what is the probability that I pick an odd number? When I look through these 8 possible choices here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15, all of them, all 8 numbers are odd, meaning the number of successes is 8. Now, 8 divided by 8, if I simplify that, that is 1. So what that means is it's a 100% chance that if I pick a random number, I get an odd one. So 1 is our answer for the first one. Second one says probability that I grab a number that is less than 8. Well, let's look at all of the numbers that are less than 8. It looks like 1, 3, 5, and 7. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So those are my number of successes. 4 out of an 8 chance that I roll or I pick a number that is less than 8. Sorry, I've been talking about dice too much. I simplify that fraction. If I were to ask to find it as a percent, I can always divide those two and multiply by 100. And the last one says, what's the probability that I pick a number that is more than 12? When I look at all of my numbers, I see 13 and 15 are the only two options that are greater than 12. So 2 over 8 simplifies to 1/4, and that is my probability that I pick a number more than 12.